Hey guys, welcome back to another Coding Flamingo video. Today we're going to look at how to make beautiful command line kind of like menus and everything with CommandLineParser. So if you're using a command line tool, you would probably want something like this that will tell you kind of like the information, any error if you're not passing the right thing, or that you could do -help and it'll give you the information of the tool. And even if you have different verbs, so in this case, we created verb 1 and verb 2. You could do a -help here and give you more information on how it's done and parsing the arguments and everything. So that could be done manually by actually going through the arguments and figuring it all out, or you can use that NuGet package. So as always, this code is going to be available in my GitHub, so make sure to check the link down below and check it out. But basically all you have to do is create a parser that parses the arguments, and here we're passing the two different verbs that could be, and we created those models over here. So as you can see, there's some kind of like syntax you have to follow. So you create a verb, you create the name, then you create the help text. Help text is what's going to appear here. So it is the first verb, it is the first verb. Then you create your class and you create kind of like whatever you want in that class. So for the first verb, we just want an int, and they can either use the short name n, or the full name for the thing is num. You can make it either required. So if it's required and they don't pass it, it's going to fail. And then you could have a default value of like 5 or whatever. So in here you can see it for the verb 1, we did a bool that is required. Sorry, a bool that is not required, and then random text that is required. So if we go see here, we see that there is a short version that is t or is true, whether or not it's true, and then r and random text tells you it's required and what it is. That's how you parse inputs in a console application. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.